skincare product and specifically Sneezylite product. So Sneezylite is very interesting category, I must say, because this is I must say this is like very needed thing for today's era. So that much important the category it is. Whenever we talk about the nutraceuticals, whenever we talk about the Ayurveda product, the importance which we give to that categories, that importance only we need to give to Sneezylite category, that is personal care category. So personal care, what is personal care? So whenever we talk about the personal care, so this is not something uh, this is not something developed in in today's time or in this today's era. This is very much old thing. Many of our ancient peoples are using the personal care treatment. Like many people are using uptons, herbs, oil for their skin care, for their hair care. So I must say the personal care theme, personal care trend is not for it is not so recent program. It is happening from many of last time. So this is important to know about the now care and the importance of the personal care. Whenever we talk about the personal care, now the world is moving towards clean, premium, and science backend product. Now people are demanding from the safe product. Now people are demanding from the something product which will give you a very good result on their skin and hair. So nowadays the people are very much cautious and very much serious about their personal care, because everybody are aware that the first identity is very much important. Whenever we talk about the impression, as everybody know that the first impression is the last impression. Before we say a word, people notice our skin, our hair, and our face. They judge ourselves, they judge everybody on the basis of their skin, on the basis of their face, on the basis of their face. So this is very much important to maintain the skin and the hair. So this is our first impression to the world, and it communicates our health, our energy, and our personality. It is that's why the to, to maintain the skin and the hair health, it is very important. Whenever we talk about the look, so there is not only when we talk about the looks, there is not only the types of our skin color, our skin texture. The skin is very much important because according to science, skin is the largest organ of the body. Our hair is our crown and our face is our emotional mirror. What we feel inside, it represent on our our it represent on our face, on our like whichever we feel inside, in our heart, in our brain, it reflects on your face. So together they protect us, define us, and influence how the world sees us. Personal care is not only about the beauty, it is about the health, about the hygiene, about the self-respect. So there is a need now that we have to be maintain our skin health, we have to be maintain our hair health, right? So nowadays, why it is become so necessary? Because earlier skincare and hair care were seen as only luxury items, but today now skincare and hair care is converted into daily essential category. Because of you have seen that now our system, now our atmosphere is becoming changing nowadays. Pollution, stress is there. Our lifestyle is becoming is change. Our eating habits are changing day by day. We have a very hectic schedule. We have a late nights. We use very harsh chemical for our body, for our hair, for our skin. You have seen there is lot of changes are happening in the weather. So constantly these all things are attacking on your skin, on your hair. Nowadays, the skin care and hair care is not age restricted. Everybody need the skin care and hair care because it add the values to your life. In the journey of lifestyle, we go from survival to comfort to lifestyle to luxury. But it has become a routine. Now, skin care and hair care is a routine of our life. Likewise, we do brush our teeth, we drink the water. Likewise, the skin care and hair care is becoming necessity of our life. Personal care now move into the category of lifestyle necessity. So that much important the personal care has become nowadays. So have you know Our skin renovates itself every 28 to 30 days. But because of age, because of stress, because of lifestyle, because of pollution, the process of renovation has slowed down to 50, 45 to 60 days. And it impacts our skin. And because of this, our skin getting so much problems day by day. Do you know 80% of Indians suffer from hair fall, dandruff, and premature aging? You have seen at your home that many people are nowadays facing a problem of gray hair. What is the reason behind it? Because we are not maintaining hair care, we are not doing any skin care. We are using harmful chemicals for the skin care and hair care. So there is a wake up call now. We have to be more serious about our skin care and hair care. So have you know our hair cycle? There is a hair cycle. We naturally lose 50 to 100 strand for hair daily. But because of stress, because of poor nutrition, because of harsh chemicals product, the hair fall is becoming increasing day by day. It went up to 300 and more strands hair fall in a day to each and everyone. So nowadays we need to understand that the everything is affecting our hair, affecting our skin. So it is now important to maintain the health of our skin and hair as well. Now each and every age category, the hair care and skin care is now important. Whenever we talk about the number, because we belong to network marketing industry and when we do business, so it is important to know the data, the numbers of the market. So whenever we talk about the global number, the global personal care industry is worth of $500 billion. In that, we if we like categorize each and every section, the skincare alone accounts around $150 billion. Hair care accounts for $90 billion, and in face care it is $80 billion market. And this each segment is growing between 5 to 8% annually. So whenever we talk about the number, whenever we talk about the growth, you can see how the positive growth is seen in the personal care market. Whenever we talk about the numbers of Indian market, so India personal care market is already above 1.2 lakhs crore rupees, and it is expected to double within the next 5 to 6 years, because nowadays people need premium product, nowadays people need clean skincare product. And it is very important news for us and very good news for us that the premium and clean skincare categories are the fastest growing segment in the country. So with this you have seen how growing the market we have in the skincare category, in the personal care category. And whenever we talk about the rupee, whenever we talk about the consumer behavior, how comfortable are people with the purchasing of the premium products? Yes, people are comfortable. Today, consumer want premium, safe, and effective product for their skin, for their hair, because they need the quality, they need safety product, they want the visible result on their skin and hair, and for that, people are ready to pay 2 to 3 times to just build a trust, safety, and visible to give the visible results. So this is the change in consumer behavior is happening nowadays. Because whenever people are buying cream, any product, they are not only buying only product, they are buying confidence. They are buying the compliments. They are buying their self-respect. They are buying their self-esteem. So whenever we are talking about the skin care, whenever you are talking about the hair care, it is not only the product category. There is a emotional attachment nowadays people are feeling with this, because people are attaching their emotions with the product. So with this, we are starting with our first product. The first product is 24 karat gold face serum, where luxury are meeting with science. What are the problem people are facing nowadays? When you see there is lot of changes are happening in the weather. There are lot of changes are happening in the atmosphere. And due to that, people are facing dull complexion, fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone, and rough texture. So now today customer don't just want skin care, they want luxury. And the most important, they need visible transformation on their hair, on their skin. For that, we have launched 24 karat gold face serum. In this, we have 24 karat gold nanoparticles. Helps to boost the microcirculation of your skin, and it helps to absorb the product very efficiently. It also has a hyaluronic acid. The main propaganda, the main purpose of the hyaluronic acid is the hydration. And if your skin is full in hydration, it will help to reduce the pump line. It will help to reduce the fine lines of your skin. It also has a vitamin C along with niacinamide. It will help to fade the dark spot. It will help to brighten your skin, and even tone it will help to give you. It also has peptides and botanicals which will stimulate the collagen, and it will help to calm and protect your skin. Whenever you start applying this serum, immediately you will see glow and smoothness on your skin. Within a 4 weeks, it will provide you a good hydration and freshness on your skin. Within a 8 weeks, you will see even tone and the firmness on your skin tone. So with this, you are observing that how detailed we are with our product. Whenever we talk of the product quality, why our product are best? Because we are providing nano gold penetration. We have a synergistic multi-action formula. It will give you hydration, brightening, and firmness in all-in-one formula. It is very lightweight, non-greasy, and the very important point is that it is Indian climate friendly. So our skin get very good result with this point. So I must say, please highlight this point, give a star mark on this point. Whenever we are talking about the quality of the product, do mention the point that our product are Indian climate friendly. It is a prestige level formula at very value price. Whenever we talk about the quality and the safety of the product, as you must seen that our all products are research based and validated, and here is the proof of that are each and every product is research based and validated, and after that only we are launching our product to you. So when we talk about the application of the product, what you need to do first? First, cleanse your face with the help of face wash. You can use face wash for cleansing of your face. After that, apply 2 to 3 drops. The one drop on your right cheek, one drop on your left cheek, one drop on your forehead, and do the massage with the help of your fingertip. The massage direction has to be from downward to upward direction. Always remember, whenever you are doing any massage on your face, the massage direction has to be from downward to upward direction only. Do not apply massage from upward to downward direction. It will give more fine lines, more wrinkles on your skin. So the direction of the massage has to be from downward to upward direction. And after that, do not forget to apply moisturizer and sunscreen after the application of serum. So do not forget the step, because this is a very priority step and very proper way of applying skincare. So it is very perfect for professional brides and influencer, the people like you, wherever you are talking to people on each and everyday basis. So this is not just a skincare, this is a prestige in a bottle which will give your customer a gift of golden radiance. So that much effective and that high quality product we are providing to you. Next product we have in this category is 24 karat gold moisturizer, where it will help to give you a daily luxury to your skin, and it will give you a very youthful effect on your skin. Now, what is the problem people are facing nowadays? That people are facing dehydration problem on their skin. People have a rough textures on their skin. Their wrinkles are appearing on very early stage. And because of that, their skin is looking so tired, so stressed. Our skin is aging faster day by day. So to fight against this problem, we have a very good formulation, that 24 karat gold moisturizer. It has 24 karat gold nanoparticle. It will help to give you collagen support. It will help to boost your microcirculation on your skin. It will help to protect your skin. because it has a oxidative defense. It also has a hyaluronic acid. It will give you a multi-layer hydration. It will give a deep penetration, deep hydration on your skin. It also has a ashwagandha and botanicals. It acts as an anti-stress aging protection. It will give overall protection for your skin. It also has an antioxidant. It will help to neutralize the free radical on your skin. So whenever you start applying this moisturizer, na, immediately you will see the softness and the golden glow on your skin. Within a 4 weeks, you will see the texture of the skin is getting smoother day by day. Within the 8 weeks, you will see the elasticity and the firmness on your skin is increasing day by day. So you have seen how detailed we are with about uh, how detailed we are with the result and the quality of the product. So whenever we talk about the quality of the product, why our product stands out? Because we have nano gold penetration, nano gold particles in our product. It has a hyaluronic acid synergistic action, which helps to give you hydration along with the anti-aging property and also repairs your skin. It is very lightweight and daily climate friendly product. Yet it is premium, but yet it is purchase friendly as well. So that quality, high quality we are providing with the product. So whenever we talk about the benefit of the product, it is all our research based and validated. After that only we have launched the product to you in the market. So it is very much important to disclose this quality. It is very much important to share this quality with the people. Now you have, this is like high time. Whenever we talk about the product, don't just talk about like our product is best, our product is nice. Please talk some technical things. Please present this research data, validated data to each and every customer to increase the safety of the product, to increase the impression of the product in the market. How to apply this product? It's very easy. First, cleansing the product. First, clean your face. After that, use a pea-sized quantity of the product. That is much more important, much more sufficient. Just apply pea-sized quantity of the product on your face. Always remember, whenever you apply the product, whenever you are apply any product on your face, do not forget to apply the same product on your neck skin as well, because the neck and face skin is same. So always remember, whenever you apply any product on your face, apply that the same product on your neck face as well. So it will help to boost the skin health of your neckline as well. And after that, do not forget to apply sunscreen. So sunscreen is very important. So do not forget. So these are the steps of application of the product. First, the cleanse your face. After apply moisturizer, and after that, compulsory apply sunscreen on your face. Third product we have in this category, and my personal favorite and my most comfortable product is AHA and VHA face sheet mask. Sheet mask is a very easy way to do the skincare on your face. You have seen many people have an uneven skin tone. They are facing problem of breakouts, dullness on their skin. And for that, many people are using scrub for that. And due to that, they are not just overcoming the problem, they are facing a very crucial problem on their skin. So scrub is not something which is very much like comfortable to each and everyone to apply on your skin. So whenever skin need exfoliation and hydration, the best solution is AHA and BHA sheet mask because it contains glycolic acid. It will help to boost the collagen on your skin. It has lactic acid. It will help to hydrate along with the exfoliation on your skin. It also has a salicylic acid, help to clear the pores on your skin. It also has a hyaluronic acid. It will help to lock the moisture on your skin. It also has a aloe vera. It will decrease the irritation on your skin. So whenever you start using the sheet mask, now immediately you will see your skin is getting brighter day by day. Within a 4 weeks, you will see there is a percentage of reduce in breakouts. Within 8 weeks, you will get a very much radiant skin tone on your body. So we are that much detailed with our product benefit, that our product stands out in the market because we have a dual action formula, AHA plus VHA. It also has a hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Both the ingredient help in hydration for your skin. And the very important point is it is dermatologist approved formula. It will help to give you spa-like result at home in just a 15 minutes. So this is like easy going skincare routine, I must say, which you need to include it in your day-to-day life. Now, whenever we talk about the quality of the product, the safety of the product, all our things are research based and validated. And after that, only we represent the product in the market. We launch the product in the market. As you can see, the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology 1996 says 12% of lactic acid reduce fine lines and firm skin. Clinical Therapeutics 2004 is saying salicylic acid outperform benzoyl peroxide in acne. Journal of Dermatological Science 2099 is saying AHAs accelerated cell turnover and it will give you brighter skin. So that much particular we are about the quality of the product and the benefits of the product. Now, how to use the sheet mask? It is very easy going product and very easy application. First, clean the product, clean the face. First, you need to clean the face with the help of face wash. You can do. After that, just put the sheet mask on your face and hold it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the sheet mask and throw it away in the dustbin. So it is a one-time use only product, right? Whenever you feel the some product are left over on your face skin, just with the help of fingertip, do the round circular motion on your circular massage on your skin from downward to upward direction. Just just do the massage to increase the absorption of the product on your skin. If you feel there is so much extra product is available in the packet, you can apply the product on your neck as well. So always remember, whenever you are applying any product on your face, do not forget to apply the same product on your neck as well. After that, follow with the moisturizer and sunscreen. Do not forget this step because these are very important steps. So this AHA sheet mask is very perfect for um, who people are having oily skin, people having acne prone skin, and the dull skin problem. So please highlight or starlight this point that whenever people are complaining about their skin that they have very oily and acne prone skin, to them you have to suggest this AHA BHA sheet mask. So exfoliation is no longer means hard scrub. This mask renovate your skin and gently get powerful. Nowadays exfoliation is getting easier day by day. Next product we have in this category is aloe beetroot gel moisturizer. This aloe beetroot gel moisturizer, the very highlighting point of this product is that this moisturizer is gel based, and due to that people are not facing any problem of irritation, chipchipapan. So due to this, people are very much getting comfortable to apply the moisturizer on their skin. Nowadays, people are facing problem of dry patches, elasticity loss, glow fades on their skin, dehydration, pigmentation, premature aging, rising from stress and due to sunburning. And due to for that, people are using many of gels to prevent this problem. But people are not getting sufficient result out of it. So for that, we have launched this gel-based moisturizers contain aloe vera and beet because aloe vera help to soothing your skin and repair the skin against UV damage. Beetroots have antioxidant property and it will help to boost the circulation and the elasticity of your skin. It also has high magic trademark registered 4D hyaluronic acid. It will help to give you multi-layer hydration. It also has vitamin C along with niacinamide. It will help to brighten your skin and help to fade on the dark spot of your skin. It also has B5 and vitamin E. It will help to give you nourishment and protection for your skin. So whenever you start applying this product, now immediately you will see the deep hydration on your skin and the freshness on your skin. Within a 4 weeks, you will see instant glow and brightness on your skin. Within 8 weeks, you will see that elasticity of your skin is getting restored. So that much detailed benefits we are providing with this product. Why are this gel stands out? Because it will give you hydration along with the antioxidant protection. It is clinically tested actives. It is very lightweight and non-greasy. So this is very important point that moisturizer has to be non-greasy and that quality we are providing. So it also acts as a primer. So those people are using makeup on their skin on day-to-day life. So for them, it is a very best product because it also acts as a primer and base for their skin. It is suitable for all skin types. So when if you have a sensitive skin, if you have a dry, if you have a combination, if you have oily skin, in all skin type you can use this product. As we say, our all products are research based and validated. And here is the proof of the product. Here is the proof of that researches and validation you can see on your skin. How to use this gel? It is very important. First, cleanse your face with the help of face wash. After that, take pea-sized amount on your face and on your neck. Do the massage from downward to upward direction. You can apply this gel in morning time as well as evening time. So in the both the time section, you can use this product. But if you apply this product in the morning time, AM time, do not forget to use SPF, that is sunscreen on your face. So it is very important whenever you are applying any product in the daytime, apply sunscreen. Follow with the sunscreen. The final product will be sunscreen only. So this is very perfect for hydration, glow, and it will also act as a primer for your skin. So hydration and glow don't have to wait now. This gels delivers both instantly and over time. So this is like best and best product for your skin whenever we talk about the hydration. Next product we have, that is aloe turmeric gel. So product itself have turmeric. So whenever we talk about the turmeric, as everybody know the importance of turmeric in our life. People are facing inflammation, acne, sun damage on their skin. Many people have a irritation on happening irritation on their skin. And to heal that, to protect that the skin, to give a very good result on their skin, it to heal the problem of their skin, the this gel based moisturizers contain turmeric, it helping out. So what content we have in this product? So it have aloe vera. Aloe vera contains 98% of water. It will give you hydration and along with the protection for your skin. It also has a turmeric which contain curcumin. Curcumin act as an anti-inflammatory agent along with the antibacterial properties. It will help to reduce the acne by 50%. Also, it has hyaluronic acid, which will provide you good hydration and elasticity on your skin. So, whenever you start applying this product, no, you will instantly feel cooling hydration on your skin. Within a 4 weeks, you will see that the breakouts are decreasing day by day. Within 8 weeks, you will see that skin is getting brighter and firm day by day. So that quality and that the benefits we are providing with the product. Why our gel stands out? Why are this product stands out? Because it has aloe vera along with turmeric. So you have having a dual action formula which will help to give you hydration along with the healing. healing property. It is clinically validated for acne and redness. It is very lightweight and fast. It will help to give you fast absorption on your skin. It has a spot treatment capability and suitable for all skin types. So if you have a sensitive skin, if you have a very acne prone skin, if you have a very irritation happening on your skin, in all the problems you can use this product. This is the best and best product. As you know that our all products are research based and validated, and here is the proof of that the Journal of Ethnopharmacology 2008 is saying aloe vera reduce redness by 35% in UV damaged skin. Phytotherapy Research 2013 is saying curcumin reduce acne lesions by 50% within a 6 weeks. International Journal of Biological Micromolecule is saying hyaluronic acid improve hydration by 60%. So with this, you can see how detailed we are with the benefits of the product that all are research basis and validated. And after that, only we launch the product in the market. We present the product in front of yourself. How to use the product? Very easy. First, cleanse your face with the help of face wash. After that, use pea-sized quantity on your face and your neck. Massage gently from downward to upward direction. You can use this product twice in a day, that is in the morning time as well as evening time. After that, if you are applying this product in daytime, in morning time, do not forget to apply sunscreen of on your face to give you a better result and to give you full protection on your skin. So this product is very perfect if you are having a acne prone skin, if your skin is very sensitive, and if you have a sun damaged skin. So do not forget these tips and this highlighting point whenever we talk about the recommendation of the product. So wherever we are whenever we want to recommend the product, please do not forget this small point. It will help to give you a better alignment and better guidance for the recommendation of the product. So this is not just a gel, it's a nature of soothing, repairing and brightening your skin each and every single day. The next product we have in this category is aloe cucumber gel. So name itself is saying that in the product have having two ingredients, that aloe vera and cucumber. Nowadays, people are facing problem of heat, pollution, and UV exposure on their skin, and due to that, it will lead to dehydration, redness, and sensitivity problem on their skin. For that, many people are using some other products, some other creams, but whenever they start applying that creams, they feel heaviness on their skin. And most of the gels are giving very temporary result. And due to that, people are facing the problem of dehydration again and again on their skin. Due to that, the people are having a very tight feeling of tightness on their skin, puffiness, irritation, dullness, and dullness is happening on their skin in day-to-day life. And to categorize this problem, to count this problem, we have a very good formulation, that aloe cucumber gel. So aloe cucumber gel, aloe vera contains 98% of water. It will help to give you hydration and it will help to repair the skin. Then it also has a cucumber. Cucumber have 96% of water. It also have vitamin K, help to reduce the puffiness of your skin. It also has a hyaluronic acid. It will help to retain the water on your skin. So whenever you start applying this product, now immediately you will see cooling and freshness on your skin. You will start feeling freshness on your skin. Within a 4 weeks, you will see there is a reduction of puffiness and redness on your skin. Within a 8 weeks, you will see that our skin is getting balanced and smoother day by day. So that particular we are about our product benefits. Whenever we talk about the quality, why our product stands out, why our product is best, because it also has a dual action formula, because it contains aloe vera along with cucumber. It is very lightweight, non-sticky, and act as a cooling mask and deep buffer for your skin. It's suitable for all skin type. So do not like hesitate to recommend this product in each and every category. Whenever we talk about the quality of the product, that all products are research based and validated, and after that only we recommend this product to each and everyone. You can see the proof of that on your skin. Aloe and cucumber gel. How to use this? As I said, it is again a moisturizer based category product. First, you need to cleanse your face with the help of face wash. Then take pea size quantity. Apply that quantity on your face and neck. Do the downward to upward direction massage on your skin with the help of fingertip. You can use this product in the morning as well as evening time. But always remember, whenever you are applying this product in the daytime, in the morning time, do not forget to use sunscreen SPF after the moisturizer. This is the final protection for your skin. So it is like act as a cooling mask. This is a daily gel application. It also acts as a under eye depuffer. So it will help to give you a freshness, soothing effect, and hydration on your skin. This is a nature's cooling touch in a gel. So this is very easy going and very natural product for your skin to give a better result. Next product and very important product we have, that is under eye roll-on. Under eye roll-on. Nowadays you have seen the people have a very stress in their life. They are facing fatigue, lack of sleep, and due to that, their the effect are coming on their eye. And due to that, people are facing nowadays the problem of dark circles, puffiness, eye bags, fine lines, tired look on their face. And to minimize that problem, we have a under eye roll-on. It has caffeine. It will help to give a boost circulation on the eye health or skin. It will help to reduce the puffiness of your skin. It also has a peptides, helps to stimulate the collagen
Wow.
on your skin. It also has a hyaluronic acid. It will provide the good hydration and help to reduce the fine lines on your skin. It also has aloe vera along with chamomile, help to calm and soothing the skin of your face, of your eye health. Whenever you start applying this under eye roll on, immediately you will see the cooling relief under the eye. Within a 4 weeks, you will see there is a reduction of puffiness happening below your eye. It will also provide the hydration for your skin. Within 8 weeks, you will see there is a reduction of dark circles and help to brighter the dark circles because it will act as a it will also act as a depuffer for your eye area. So under eye roll on, whenever we talk about the quality of the product, so always remember that we are providing metal roll on applicator which helps to give you instant cooling on your under eye. It is very easy, portable and mess free and help to target the specific target area of your skin. It will help to target your circles, puffiness and wrinkles togetherly. It is very safe and dermatologist friendly. So this is very important point you need to discuss with the people that our product safety is on a high level, that our product are dermatologist tested. So whenever we talk about the quality of the product, that all products are research based and validated. So here is the proof on your screen that you can see that Skin Pharmacology and Physiology
Oh
2009
my god.
is saying
Look a lot.
caffeine reduce puffiness by 35%. International Journal of Cosmetic
Wow.
Science 2010 is saying peptides reduce wrinkles by 30%. Journal of Drugs in Dermatology 2012 is saying hyaluronic acid calms skin and reduce fine line. So each and every benefits we are discussing with you all are research based and validated, and after that only we launch and we present the product in front of yourself. So is uh, that quality we are providing with our product. Under our alone, whenever we talk about the utilization and the application of the product, the first you need to clean your face. After that, you can use the roller under your eyes. Use the C-shape direction. Apply the product 2 to 3 times under the eye, then shift it to next eye, and do the light massage with the help of your fingertip. Use this product in twice a day, like in morning time as well as the evening time before sleeping. If you are applying this product in a daytime, in a morning time, do not forget to use SPF sunscreen on your skin. So this is very much essential product if you are facing very tidy eyes, stress eyes, and if you have a eye skin related problem. This is very best product for them. So this is your secret weapon for your eyes that always look awake and refresh. Next product we have in sheet mask category, that we have a collagen sheet mask. So it is very easy going product. You need to understand that after the age of 25, our skin loses collagen by 1% every year. And due to that, we are facing problem of wrinkles, fine lines, loss of elasticity, dryness, and sagging of your skin. And to minimize that problem, we have a best solution, that is collagen sheet mask. It has hydrolyzed collagen. It will help to rebuild the elasticity. It also has hyaluronic acid. It will help to lock the moisture on your skin. It also has a niacinamide. It will give you brightness for your skin, and it will give you smoothness for your skin. Aloe vera and vitamin we have. It will help to hydrate and protect to your skin. Whenever you start applying the sheet mask, immediately you will see glow and hydration on your skin. Within a 4 weeks, you will see there is a reduction of dryness is happening on your skin. Within a 8 weeks, you are getting a very youthful effect on your skin. So that's the product quality we have uh, in our product. I must say there is no any. May I know which slide is running? Which slide is you are saying now?
The scene, ma'am, scene.
Turmeric gel. Okay, I will reshare. I will reshare. Don't worry. Now it is collagen sheet mask slide. Please confirm.
Scene, ma'am, scene.
Sorry. Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you. So that much high quality product we have, and we are giving the best result with this product. So this is like, I must say, collagen sheet mask is nowadays a very essential product for each and every individual if you age uh, more than 25. So I must say use this product once in a week at least to give you a very youthful effect on your skin. So why our collagen sheet mask is best and why our product stands out? Because we are providing high quality collagen peptides. It is clinically tested for hydration and skin firmness. It will give you a spa-like anti-aging result within a 20 minutes by seated at home only. It is suitable for all skin types. So this is that the like we are that particular about the result and the benefit of our product, that all our products are research based and validated. And here is the proof of that. That Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology 2018 is saying collagen reduce wrinkles by 30% in 8 weeks. So whenever we talk about the hydration, that International Journal of Biological Micromolecules 2016 is saying hyaluronic acid improves hydration by 60%. Whenever we talk about the brightness of the skin, British Journal of Dermatology 2000 is saying niacinamide brightened skin and improves skin tone within a short time. So this quality and that much particulars we are providing with our product because we have a research based product, we have a validated benefits product. How to use this product? Because it is very easy. As I said, it is a sheet mask category product. First, you need to clean your face with the help of face wash. Then pat dry your skin, pat dry the face. After that, remove the mask from the packet. Apply that mask on your face. Hold it for 20 minutes. After that, you can remove that mask and throw it away in the dustbin. Whenever you feel there is some product are left or on your skin, then do the massage with the help of fingertip on
Yes.
your face and along with the neckline, and do the massage in upper direction, like from downward to upper direction. And after that, you can follow with the moisturizer and sunscreen.
Nothing.
These are the simple steps you need to follow whenever you apply the sheet mask. This is very perfect for every event before application. So you must remember, please apply this product at least once in a week, because it is very much essential product to give you a very youthful look and youthful effect on your skin. So it will help to give a hydration, firmness, and along with the glow within just 20 minutes. So that much high quality and that much good product we are providing to in front of you. So this is very much important that you have to use the product on day to day life. Next product, again the sheet mask category product known as D10 sheet mask. The name itself is saying that where we need to use the product, utilization of the product. D10 sheet mask. What problem nowadays people are facing? That people are facing problem of prolonged sun exposure, and due to that people are having tanning, pigmentation problem, and fine lines problem on their skin. And due to that, what result are people are facing? That uneven skin tone, dark patches, premature aging. And to fight that problem, we have a very good formulation, that is D10 sheet mask. It contains niacinamide. It will help to reduce the dark spot on your skin. It has vitamin C. It will give you brightness for your skin, and it will also help to repair the skin. Hyaluronic acid we have. It will help to restore the hydration. Aloe vera and cucumber we have. It will give you a cooling effect and soothing effect on your skin. It have a licoride. It acts as a de-tanning agent. It will help to brighter of your skin. Whenever you start applying this product, immediately you will see that there is a cooling glow is showing on your skin. Within a 4 weeks, you will see there is a reduction of tan is happening and the reduction of dark patches is happening on your skin. Within a 8 weeks, you will see you are getting a very even and radiant skin tone of your face and your neck. That all our products are research based and validated, and here is the proof of that we are very much particular about the quality of our product. How to use the sheet mask? As I said, first you need to cleanse your face with the help of face wash. After that, put that mask on your face, hold it for 20 minutes. After that, remove that mask, and whichever product is left over on your skin, on your face, do the upward direction massage with the help of fingertip. It will help to absorb the product on your skin, and after that, follow with the moisturizer and sunscreen. Use this detan sheet mask twice or thrice a week, 2 or 3 times in a week. So whenever you start feeling the tanning problem on your skin, this is the best solution because it will help to fade the tan, restore the radiance, and it is a sun damage has a solution known as detan sheet mask. So this is the product we have a very best in this category. Next and very trending product we have known as kojic acid sheet mask. Now, kojic acid sheet mask, the main propaganda and the main objective of the kojic acid is to reduce the dark spot, to reduce the acne scar, and to give you even skin tone of your on your skin. So this is the main, like I must say, this is the main benefit of the kojic acid itself. So whenever you start feeling that, ma'am, we have a very long term, very very highlighted skin tone. We have a very dark patches, very old spots on the skin. So for all this problem, we have a one-stop solution known as a kojic acid sheet mask. It has kojic acid. It will help to inhibit the melanin on your skin, also known as a skin coloring agent. Because of pollution, because of the sun exposure, your skin is start producing extra melanin on your skin, and due to that, people are facing problem of dark spot and dark skin tone on their face. And to reduce that, we have a kojic acid. Along with that, we have vitamin C also. So vitamin C help to brighten your skin and help to build the collagen on your skin. Next, we have hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid, the main objective is the hydration. So whenever we talk about the hyaluronic acid in each and every product, you have observed that we in each and every product ingredient we have hyaluronic acid. So the main objective is hydration. So whenever the hyaluronic acid comes, just fit in your mind that hyaluronic acid is equal to hydration. Along with that, we have niacinamide. Niacinamide helps to strengthen your barrier of your skin. Along with that, we have aloe vera and licorice. It will calm your skin and help to fades the dark spot of your skin. Whenever you start applying this sheet mask on your face, immediately you will see your skin is feeling fresh. Your skin is feeling hydrated. Within a 4 weeks, you will see there is a reduction of pigmentation is happening on your face. Within a 8 weeks, you will see there is a glow. There is a very nice and natural glow is coming out on your skin. So that much particular and that much high quality benefits we are providing with the help of this product. Why our product is best? Because we have kojic acid along with the vitamin C, and the both the ingredient act as a strong brightening agent. Because it also has niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, it will give you hydration along with the soothing effect on your skin. And the very important point is it is very safe and dermatologist tested. So that much high quality we are providing with this product. Why our product are best? Because all our product are research based and validated. And here is the proof on your screen that Journal of Dermatological Treatment 2013 is saying kojic acid reduce hyperpigmentation. Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology 2017 is saying vitamin C brighten your skin by 40%. International Journal of Biological Micromolecules 2016 is saying hyaluronic acid improve hydration by 60%. So with this you can see how much safety we are providing with the product, how much particular we are about the benefits of the product and the quality of the product. How to use the sheet mask? Again the same. First, cleanse your face with the help of face wash. After that, use